Hi YouTube, it's me Leo back again, and in this video we're going to be changing the air filter on my Mitsubishi Colt. Picked up this Bosch air filter and we're just going to be switching it out for the old one. I think I've done about 7,000 or 8,000 miles on my old one, so might as well change it. Open the bonnet, the release is underneath the steering wheel, and then once you're in the bonnet, the air filter is kind of kept in this area here. So I don't know if you can see, there's some silver kind of clips that you have to unclip, one here and one here, and then it should just wriggle out, and there you can see we've got the old one. Old one is inside here. This was also a Bosch one, so they should be exactly the same. Just going to see how dirty it is, because it's been quite dusty recently. It's not been raining, so maybe... See, that doesn't look particularly dusty. They're only about 10 quid, so you might as well. I think it's probably been in for about 8 months, this one. So right, we're going to get the new one on. Should be exactly the same. Like so. Yeah. See, it's now like a little cavity. It is a bit dusty in there, but I can't be asked to clean it out. And then this new one, this is a bit fiddly, this thing. So you actually just got to slot it in like so, and there should be kind of rubber around the outside. And then this is the fiddly bit. So there's kind of, if you have a look over this side, so there's metal clips on this side, and then on this side, these bit of plastic, there's one here and there's one just behind it. They have to hook underneath. Pull it this way, and then, so this can take a bit of time trying to get it in the right position. Right, so I think that should be it. So the clip, they're kind of underneath the little hinges on, they're not really hinges, but you see it's slotted under there, and it's slotted under, and there's another one behind that it's slotted under, and then you just get these metal clips, and then they should, if you put a bit of force on, oh, there we go, just clip it down, there we go, just give it a bit of, yeah, it's cool, it's on. Yeah, this has not got a turbo, this car, so the air just comes in through this little vent here into through the air filter. Cool, that's how you do it. So just get rid of your old one, bit like brown, there's a lot of dust in there. So yeah, that's how you change your air filter on your Mitsubishi Colt. Tune in for the next car video.